How to fix Facebook video duration forwarding problem. So if I open up the Facebook here, you'll get to see there's a video, and if I trying to forward the video from the bottom, you'll get to see it's not working. I actually have to forward the video just 5 seconds or 10 seconds. This option is available, it's working. But whenever I'm trying to forward or reverse the video from the bottom here, you'll get to see it's not working. A lot of you have been facing this problem nowadays, so here in this video I'll show you how you can actually fix the problem. It's super easy, but before we start the video, if you're new to this channel, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because it really helps me out. Well, so now to fix the video forwarding problem on Facebook, the very first thing that you have to do is simply go and open up the settings, whatever the phone that you're using. It can be Samsung, Vivo, or any other model. And from the settings, you just need to scroll down a little bit, and you just need to find out the apps section. I'm gonna go ahead and tap on apps. You just need to get into the apps on your phone, and inside this one, you just need to search with the Facebook. So I'm gonna find out the Facebook application from the list. You'll get to see the Facebook app. You just need to go ahead and tap on this, and this will open up the app info. And from here, you just need to scroll down a little bit. You'll get to see the stores. You just need to tap on this, and at the bottom right, you'll get to see the clear cache. You just need to go and tap on this, and the cache will be cleared. Now you just need to get back from here. Now simply go and open up the Play Store from your device, and then go and search for Facebook. And go and tap on the Facebook, and if you found any pending update, go and update your Facebook application to the very latest version. And once you have done that, the very next and the last thing that you have to do is just need to restart your phone once. And once you have restarted your phone, and most likely your problem is going to be solved, and the video duration forwarding problem will be fixed. Hope you find this very helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to this channel. Or if you have any question, please let me know in the comment section. I'll see you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.